Yeah, hello everyone, it's me, Master Jay here. So today near to the beach, and welcome to Jay Yoga here. And today I will teach you some standing asanas, standing positions. We will do some postures together. So everyone just do with me one round of sun salutation, starting with the sun salutation first, because that one is very important. So everyone just stand, feet together, hands front, hands up, inhale, exhale, come back, inhale, exhale, bend forward and go down. Right leg, left leg, go down, up, inhale and exhale. Front and then up, relax. So now after this, open your legs here, open hand and then bending to the side. So here you can bend like the right side and the left side. So all the poses, जो भी pose रहेंगे आपके, that one will be very useful for the loss weight, you know. So that one is very important. So you can do 10 times both side bending. Also you can do with both hands together, do the side bending. And after that, coming to some warrior poses. So first, leg bend, hands up, stay in this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warrior 2. This one is also a very nice pose. Just press here, knee ankle in line and hip here. Back straight, shoulder in line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, then do the same opposite. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. So first do these two poses and after that slowly jogging here. So on your both legs you can do like one by one. Also you can do feet together and jumping like this. So you can do the same this thing 3 to 4 minutes at least, okay, one by one and on your both feet together. Also you can do some twisting here. So this one is also very helpful for you guys. If you want some shoulder opening for your arms, so also you can open up your shoulder up and down with this. So here weather is good and you can see the sea here, the view is very beautiful. So guys, you have to practice all these things every day to improve yourself, to improve in your health and for your weight loss. So thank you so much guys. Take care all of you. These are the some of exercise you can do and you can lose your weight. Thank you so much. Namaste. See you in your next video. Take care. Goodbye.